Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this two-toned text effect in Canva. So I'm just going to add a text box here. I'm just going to type in wildcats because I don't know, because of High School Musical. Pick any font you like. Okay, I don't know what font would be like school. Can I even type school? I can. Going to find a bold font. I really want that like sporty font. Oh my gosh, you can't type. Can I not find a font like that? I don't know what to type. No, I'm just gonna go with this at this point. Okay. Then I'm just gonna copy and paste this, and I'm just going to type in W. And I'm just going to make that a lot bigger. Obviously, you can do any text you want. And then I'm also just going to make this a little bit smaller. And I'm just going to color that white like that. I'm just going to put it like down here a little bit. I think I'm going to make this red. You can use, I guess, any color that you want here. Then I'm just going to export it first as a JPEG here. I'm just going to download that, or a PNG, whatever it is. I'm just going to open that file. Hello, where is it? Oh. Then I'm just going to put it here, like so. And then I'm just going to keep this part. I'm not going to keep the big W though. I'm just going to kind of adjust it to this. I'm just going to change the color first in maybe black so I can kind of see where I should like place this. Whoops. Sorry, let me just like sort this out for a bit. Okay, that's perfect. Then I'm just going to place this behind. I'm going to get this, and then I'm going to go to background remover. And then I'm just going to select edit. I'm going to select the background remover, and I'm going to select restore on this one here. So let me just carefully restore that. Oh my gosh, okay, I need to be like super precise with this, or else it's going to look super weird. Maybe I should have just done like a PNG on this actually and not use the background with it. But we're here now, so I'm just going to try my best. Obviously, you're going to want to make it neater than I am right now. Just boop, boop. Okay, just like make it neater, okay? Don't do like me. Okay. Okay, I'm going to add more stuff here. I'm just going to erase it again. Oh my god, okay. Need to be careful. Again, make it more neater than I am right now. Then as you can see, now it's two-toned. You're just going to want to make like more adjustments on it if you'd like to. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.